Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Magene heart rate monitor. First, ensure your monitor has a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery installed. Gently twist the battery cover counterclockwise to open, insert the battery with the positive side facing up, and then close it securely. Next, moisten the electrode areas on the back of the strap with a small amount of water or electrode gel. Finally, fasten the strap snugly around your chest, just below your pectoral muscles, ensuring the sensor is centered. Once your monitor is properly worn, it's time to pair it with your preferred device. For Bluetooth Low Energy, simply open your smartphone app, cycling computer, or smartwatch settings and search for new sensors. Select your Magene monitor from the list. For ANT Plus connectivity, ensure your device, like a GPS bike computer, is ANT Plus compatible. It should automatically detect the monitor when in range, typically within a few feet. This dual protocol support offers great flexibility for your training setup. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that the CR2032 battery is correctly inserted and has sufficient charge. A low battery is a common culprit. Next, ensure the strap's electrodes are adequately moistened and the monitor is positioned correctly on your chest. Also, verify that Bluetooth or ANT Plus is enabled on your receiving device and that it's not already paired with another heart rate monitor. Sometimes, simply restarting your device or the monitor can resolve the problem. To ensure longevity and accurate readings from your Magene heart rate monitor, proper maintenance is key. After each use, detach the sensor module from the strap and rinse the strap with clean water, then hang it to air dry. Avoid using harsh chemicals or machine washing. Replace the CR2032 battery approximately every 6 to 8 months or when the battery indicator on your connected device shows low power. Store the sensor and strap in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight when not in use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.